13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 14. We have ignition sequence start. 11, 10, 9. We have ignition sequence start. 0. Engine on. 4, 3,
sideways shaking was unbelievable. The vibration was so intense you couldn't see the instrument shaking was unbelievable. The vibration was so intense you couldn't see the instrument panel. I was hoping that Frank Borman didn't have his hand on the abort control. He said he took his hand off. I was hoping that Frank Borman didn't have his hands on the abort control. He said he took his hand off, rather die than make
already supersonic.
Well, the Saturn V is still the most powerful machine that man has ever devised. 20 tons of fuel a second, 7.5 million pounds of thrust. I think we were all surprised at how strong that thing was. It had had 2 or 3 iffy missions before ours, but it was a piece of cake. It just worked beautifully. Unbelievable.
5 engines in the first stage blast the Saturn V to 7 times the speed of sound.
The second stage cut in. Big bang.
At 40 miles high, it's still accelerating.
When you staged, you were thrown forward in the belts and then backward in the belts.
And I thought I was being catapulted through the instrument panel.
All sources show that the stage
is
running
good.
perfectly.
The third stage fires twice.
We're safe.
The boost into orbit. The second burn takes the crew of Apollo 8 where no man has ever been.
Time to see where our curiosity will take us. At this time, flyaway should be complete to send stages at a safe distance. We are continuing to receive telemetry from Curiosity.